Dear students, welcome to my English grammar class of grade 5th. Today in this video I will explain you the concept of conjunctions. Let's begin. Come to the page number 118, chapter number 31, conjunctions. Students, before commencing this concept, first of all I will let you know about the conjunctions. Conjunctions are words that combine two words, two groups of words और two sentences together. Conjunctions क्या होते हैं? वो वाले words जो combine करते हैं two words को या फिर two group of words को या फिर two sentences को एक साथ. So students, there are two types of conjunctions, coordinating and correlative. First of all, we will discuss about the coordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions may join single words or they may join group of words, but they must always join similar elements. कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शंस क्या होते हैं? वो वाले वर्ड्स जो ज्वाइन करते हैं सिंगल वर्ड्स को या फिर ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स को, पर उनमें क्या होना चाहिए? उनमें सिमिलर एलिमेंट्स होना चाहिए. They must always join similar elements. For example, word plus word, phrase plus phrase, sentence plus sentence. The coordinating conjunctions are for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. So this is a Fenn-Boy's rule. F means for, A means and, N means nor, B means but, O means or, Y means yet, S means so. Fenn-Boy's rules. So coordinating conjunctions क्या होते हैं? वो वाले words जो ज्वाइन करते हैं सिंगल वर्ड को या फिर ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स को या फिर सेंटेंसेस को. A comma is used along with coordinating conjunctions to connect two independent clauses. So इसमें comma को भी यूज किया जाता है. It is important to note that a comma is never placed after coordinating conjunctions. Students, जो कॉमा है ये इसको बाद में प्लेस नहीं करना, इसको उस टाइम कॉमा को उस टाइम यूज़ करना है जब टू इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉजेस को एक साथ कंबाइन करना है. Correlative conjunctions are pairs of words. They are always used together. Correlative conjunctions वो वर्ड्स ऑफ पेयर्स ऑफ वर्ड्स होते हैं जो एक साथ यूज होते हैं. The correlative conjunctions are both, and, not only, but also, either, or, neither, nor, whether, or. So students, come to this exercise part A. It will clear you more. Fill in the blanks with suitable coordinating conjunctions. हमने two types of conjunctions को किया है. First coordinating, second correlating. First of all, we will do the exercise of coordinating conjunctions, जिसमें Fenn-Boy's rule को यूज़ किया गया है, जैसे for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. Come to the point first. We wanted to go out to play dash, it was raining. So what will come here? But. We must all attend his party dash, he is a jolly good fellow. What will come here? For. I have been working since morning dash, I have not been able to complete this job. So you can also write but, or you can write yet. I have been working since morning but I have not been able to complete this job. Tasha Ant had studied hard all day, so her mother allowed her to go out to play. I have not brought my book today, nor has my partner. He is good at singing and dancing. Eat your food now or it will get cold. We have to leave now or it will get too late. Jagdish has helped Amang the whole day, but Amang kept complaining that he had to do the job alone. I kept shouting, but there was no echo. Maybe this is not an echo point. So students, all these words for, but, so, nor, and, or are used for joining two words or two sentences. तो ये जो वर्ड्स हैं ये किसके लिए यूज़ किए गए हैं? टू वर्ड्स को ज्वाइन करने के लिए या फिर टू सेंटेंसेस को. तो ये क्या हो गए? कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शंस. Now come to the part C. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate correlative conjunctions. Dash Pakistan dash India will reach the finals of cricket match. Not only Pakistan but also India will reach the finals of the cricket match. You have to decide dash you want to support Pakistan. You have to decide whether you want to support Pakistan or India. I do not know the teams of both Pakistan and India. Well, both Pakistan and India have very good batsmen and bowlers. However, neither Pakistan nor India has played on this ground before. During any match between these two teams, not only players but also the umpires become very tense. Both the spectators in the stands and the spectators watching television at home wait with excitement for the match to begin. Everyone would like to know whether Pakistan or India will win the match. Sadly, neither Pakistan nor India won the match because it rained heavily and the match was cancelled. So students, in this exercise we have used the correlative conjunctions. इसमें हमने pairs of words को यूज़ किया गया है. इसमें हमने fan voice rule को यूज़ किया गया है. For, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. इसमें हमने pairs of words को यूज़ किया गया है. Like but also, not also, not only, neither, either. So pairs of words we have used in correlative conjunctions. Students, I hope all of you have understood about this concept. Thank you. Have a nice day.